Hello, I'm Alec Hansen, and I decided to do my animal behavior project on the aggressive or agonistic behavior of the Gila woodpecker. Here we see a female perched vertically next to its nest, which appears to be in the hole of the saguaro cactus. This behavior is known as bill pointing display. The bill, head, and neck are extended parallel to the substrate on which an individual is perched, and the pose is held rigidly. It is believed that the agonistic behavior serves to protect the nest sites and nest holes from competitors. Jean L. Bernowitz suggests that the Gila woodpecker are most aggressive when defending their territory. Without the protection of their nests, there's a huge fitness loss for the Gila woodpecker due to no place to raise young. I believe that the stimuli for the Gila's aggressive behavior are European stallings and other conspecifics. K.K. Stalma states that male-male interactions in most birds stimulate testosterone secretion. He adds that visual and audio cues provoke an aggressive response, mostly territorial. Here we see a European starling contesting a Gila's nest as the Gila remains in it, staying its ground. Eventually, the starling gives up and flies back to its nest. Aggression in the Gila woodpecker could be subjected to modification by maternal testosterone. Herbert Squall's study on canaries and zebrafinch eggs found that female songbirds can bestow upon their eggs a dose of hormone that modifies their behavior of its offspring. Here we see that the male has returned to the nest and the female flies off. This is called supplanting, which is replacing an individual at a given position. This is very common in maintaining a defensive presence around the nest area of the saguaro. Aggressive behavior shown by the Gila woodpecker could have arose from the lack of suitable saguaros for nesting. Richard N. Connor and Curtis S. Ashenker indicate that some woodpeckers experience a large amount of overlap of nesting habitat. They suggest that competition is likely to occur if a resource required by both species is limited. Here we see a male drumming, which is a means of sound production in which the bill rapidly strikes a resonating object. It is considered a form of territorial proclaiming.